How to add Amazon products to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about adding Amazon products into our Shopify store in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, to start things off, to actually add our proper Amazon products, we are going to need a third-party plugin or a provider. And obviously you can make it seem out like it's your Amazon drop shipping, but it's more of importing products to your actual store. So to start things off, what we are going to want to do is we're going to go over to our apps. Okay, and once you go to apps, you're going to click on all recommended apps. Now once you click on all recommended apps, it's going to open up the Shopify app store. So we're just going to open that up real quick. And once you open up your Shopify app store, over here you're going to click on search, and we're going to search up Amazon. Now once you search up Amazon, we're going to click on this, and once you click on this, it brings you over here to all the different things and all the different providers that give you Amazon dropshipping. So there's AutoDS, which gives you Amazon dropshipping. Okay, then there's Amazon's importer spreader app that you can use as well. I would preferably go with AutoDS because it's much more useful, it's much better, and much more trusted, to be honest. It does have paid plans, but you can get a 14-day free trial on this as well. So you're simply going to go ahead and click on install to, actually add AutoDS to your store. So once you click on install, it takes you to the platform to actually install the app. And it's really simple. It's really easy to install this. So just keep on watching. Now, I'm going to wait for this to load up real quick. And as it loads up, we are going to go ahead and add our products. So I'm going to click on install app. And as you click on install app, obviously it starts installing the necessary apps and details. Now here it says AutoDS, etc., etc. I'm going to wait for it to load in real quick. Now, basically, once you load things up and everything is good to go, it might ask you to log in with your Amazon account, okay? But if it doesn't, then that should be pretty easy for you. So here it also gives you 4 plans. Okay, you get import 200, starter 500, and advanced 1K. Okay, so you can go with any one of these. I'm just simply gonna go with the basic one, and you click on start now for free. Now, as you can see, it just asks you to enter a provider to be billed, and once you obviously add your credit card and approve everything, from there what's going to happen is you're going to get your AutoDS dropshipper in this. Okay, now basically AutoDS dropshipper helps you import Amazon products in the easiest way. So simply what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your amazon.com, right? And as you come over to your amazon.com here, you're going to see different products. Now I would preferably tell you to go with a product which is more in niche, And what do I mean by that? I mean by that, winter is arriving and Christmas is around the corner. So we know that people are looking for Christmas ornaments, people are looking for winter clothes, to keep them warm, etc., etc. So basically just go with products that are more in the niche right now. So to start things off, what we will do is let's say I'm gonna go with sweatshirts. Okay, so I'm gonna write sweatshirt, and once you write sweatshirt, it gives you all these sweatshirts that you can import to your store if you want to, and just go with something that would make more sense to add. Let's say I'm gonna go with this sweatshirt. Okay, it's a Hannes Men's Eco Smart Fleece sweatshirt, cotton blend pullover, crew neck t-shirt, or sweatshirt for men. And then it also gives you all these variants. You can select sizes, you get the product details, you get the manufacturer's descriptions, and a whole lot more. So basically, in a way, we are going to be doing Amazon drop shipping for us, right? So to import this product into your AutoDS, what you're simply going to do is once your AutoDS is fully set it up and everything, you're simply going to take this, going to find imports or find suppliers and add this link into that product. And let me cross-reference it and show you how we're going to do this. I'm going to go into apps and show you how this is done through the Deezers app. So basically, Deezers is a lot like AutoDS. They're from the same provider as well. So their functionality is pretty much the same. So all you're going to do is you're going to run up your AutoDS or you can even use Deezers, to be honest, because Deezers also imports, your basic Amazon products. So we're just going to load that up. And once you load that up for yourself, there we go. So here we can see our Deezers is loaded up. Now over here, you can simply go into find suppliers or supplier optimizer. And what you can do over here is you can add the link or the store that you want to do for them. And you can also add the Amazon platform into this and basically go ahead and add the products that it gives you over here as well. But you can import products pretty simply by cross-checking them. Like, let's say there's this sweatshirt over here, right? So I'm just gonna add sweatshirt black. Okay, and you're gonna cross-reference this with your Amazon and find the right fit for the hoodie. And basically, it's gonna give you the right product that you are gonna need to add. So let's say I'm gonna go with this sweatshirt over here. And once you've liked a product, you're simply going to click on add to import list, and that's going to add this product into your import list pretty easily. Now, once your product is imported, just switch over to your import list like this, and here is your product, okay? Simply into your import list. Now, to add this product into your actual store, just click on push to store. And as you can see, it gives you the option to push the products. So simply click on push to stores and it starts pushing this product to your store. And again, you can simply add an Amazon link into this section as well, which will basically bring the Amazon product over here and you can import that as well. But yeah, you can do this the same thing in AutoDS as well, push things to your store. And as you can see, my product has been pushed to my store. And once your Amazon product is pushed to your store, it's going to come over here. As you can see, there we go. The hoodies have been imported. And the best thing about importing from a third-party plugin provider is that when you import an Amazon product, it's not that it's only going to import the title and the images and the actual product and stock and variants, but it's also going to import the descriptions, the media, the variants, the colors, and all the different collections that it has. So once you've done all of that, add it to some collection. Okay, now I've added it to my storage collection. I'm going to click on save. And once you click on save, you're simply going to go into your online store and you're going to start adding your products into that store. Okay, so I'm going to come over online store over here. Obviously, it takes some time for the products to actually load into your catalog. So just give it some time. But once the products are actually loaded in, they're going to start appearing over here. And to obviously add it into your recurring products, simply go ahead to your products over here. Choose the product type, where you want to add it, what type of product it is, etc., etc. And if you want to actually put it into your product store. So you're going to do that through the customization section of the online store by just coming here. You're going to click on customize and just give it a few minutes, I'd say, and it should add things over here pretty simply. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to add Amazon products to your Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.